Tere, mina olen Ranno.
And hello from Marko.
And welcome to Two Estonian Beards.
If you have been following us on Instagram, Twitter or Facebook, you probably know that we have been city hopping along the Danube.
Yep, we visited Budapest, Bratislava and Vienna. Traveling via plane, boat and train, we made 200,000 steps each.
We drank 100 pints of beer between the two of us.
Met some old friends and made new.
Over the next 3 weeks, we will show you each of those lovely cities one by one a little bit closer.
But this week we will show you a trailer of our week abroad.
Enjoy!
Hungarian summer. It's about 14 degrees. Let's go here. Kunst.
Hope it got you interested.
Budapest video will be with you in week's time, but please subscribe in order to see it and follow us on Facebook and Instagram.
And Twitter and Snapchat.
But until then, take care of yourself and each other,
Take care of your beards.
and olge muhedad.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, of course, and look us up on Facebook and Instagram.
And Snapchat and Twitter, of
Yes.
course. And look at, check
There's
out
a
one
video
of the,
there.
Yep. It's a good video, you want to see it, so click on it.
So that's one of our previous ones, and thank you.
Yep. Ta-ta! But this week we will treat you to a nice little trailer showing you. It shows you.